Alright guys, my wife was in the garden cleaning up some tomato plants, and we found this guy right here. It's a hornworm, and they basically eat up all the leaves of the tomatoes. Pretty ugly fella. But my friend Eric had a video, and he shows how he takes care of them. And it's pretty cool. He gets a scissor and he cuts them in half. We have a different way of doing it here at this homestead. Watch this guy. This guy is going to be food for the chickens. Although, you know what though, that horn is pretty tough. I'm worried about, you think it'll be bad for the chickens? That little horn? You really want this, huh? You know what we might have to do? Is cut that horn off.
You want to bring scissors?
That is pretty hard, that horn. I hope it doesn't hurt their throat. Yeah, I don't think it will. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I feed them to the chickens? I can't hear you. I don't know. But that horn is pretty hard. This guy is not moving that much.
I think it's scared.
We'll see what the chickens do with it. Alright, chickies. There's that horned worm there. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, she sees him. Oh, where did it go? Oh, she got it. Oh, she got it. She got it. Oh, she's running with it. She's running with it. She's running with it. Oh.
She's eating it all.
She's eating it, yeah. That is the horned worm. How delicious. Yeah, there it is.
No, it's all mine.
Did you eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, she ate it. Horn and all.
Now we're gonna have a worm in our eggs.
Well, the worm isn't going to be in our eggs. It's whatever nutrition it ate from the tomato plant will be. Go ahead. There you girls go.
It's close to the basil tribe.
Man, you got old basil, tomatoes. Man, it's like almost like a pesto you're making there for them.
Mm-hmm.
I know. That's right, just spread it around.
Make it available for everyone.
Alright guys, I just thought it'd be interesting to see how the chickens would eat this hornworm. Like I said, my friend Eric at Country Living Experience channel. Hey, trying to attack me? Anyways, like I was saying, Eric at Country Living Experience YouTube channel, he was chopping them in half. So I wanted to see what the chickens would do to them, and they destroyed them. Alright guys, I'm going to take care of this guy here in a second. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. You want me to wring your neck? Is that what you want me to do? Huh? Huh?